right, let's open up what we got today. And this is glaze for the chicken, and then we need that too.
I can do it!
All right, what's in here? A Rice Krispie treat. We got the chicken. See the chicken? Look at my chicken.
Look at the broccoli.
All right. Here's how I do this. Cut through your bag. This chicken's been brined. We season it a little bit as well with the curry spice. Now we give you more curry spice. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna season it right in the pan. I'm gonna do a really hot pan, okay? Putting a good amount of oil in there. Turn my heat down. I'm just gonna turn it off before we put it in there. So you got a really hot pan. I turn it off while I put this in there because it's gonna get a little bit crazy. You can get this into a 10-inch big saute pan too, but I just like having the room. I got my pan ready here. I'm just gonna sear the backside of it to start the heating process below. I set my oven temperature at 350 degrees on my convection setting, if you've got that. All right. Now.
Hey, that's the chicken we made from yesterday.
That's right. We're gonna make another one. Throw a little salt in here. You're gonna have a pre-mixed salt.
Hey.
So.
What about
half salt,
this
half
one?
mix. This is your glaze. Put it aside. It's the last thing we do, Juju, and I'll let you do it, okay? All right. So we're just gonna sprinkle our seasoning. Season it up, kiddo. I don't care anymore. I do care, but I really, come on. Can't care. Here we go. Almost there. Don't leave any in there. Get it all on there. This curry flavor. This curry flavor plus this glaze, this apricot maple glaze that we put on the end. Those two things together are the best thing ever. So turn the heat back up and we are good on that. Let's do the broccoli. So what we do, these are already blanched. We put the whole broccoli inside of here. Okay? Put a small amount of water in there. Just a small amount, nothing crazy. One of my kids put all my lids in areas that I don't know where they're at, so that one's a little bit too big. So, once this starts to tighten up, oh yeah, got a nice sear on here. Make sure let's pat all the seasoning into it. I don't want any of it to fall out. This is all we're gonna do for using this pan. Get a nice sear on there. We're gonna go right onto our pan. We're gonna go right into the oven, okay? So, sometimes I cook them at like 400 degrees if I really want a nice crispy outside. 350 is a nice kind of slow roll, but it's gonna cut your cooking time in half rather than like putting a whole bird in there by splaying it out like that. It makes it about a 20 to 30 minute bird rather than like a 45 to an hour bird. So, you can heat up your rice however you like to heat up rice. I like to zap it in the microwave. People tell me not to do that, but I do it anyways because I think it's the best way to heat it up. Now, you can put it in a pot, just a little bit of water, put a lid on it, bring it up just to a little simmer and just super low and it'll heat it right back up. But I just pop the lid a little bit and I go about 2.5 minutes in the microwave and it's perfect. Alright.
You open it.
Alright, so this is the second part of our broccoli. Okay?
I can do it. I can
So
do
it's
it.
just in there.
I can do it.
Right now, the water's in there just simmering. You want to do this?
Yeah, I can do this. Yummy.
Alright, careful. Don't get it on your shirt.
Can you do a little bit for me?
Alright, here. How? You want to do this one?
Yeah.
We can do that one together. We're going to put the salad together after this, but this cream,
I can do it.
this is Bob's famous broccoli cream. It really is delicious. Medium?
No.
Cover it with a lid. Preferably the lid that fits it. Mine does not, because my children hide everything from me.
Salad!
Alright, see this? This is when it's perfect, okay?
We can make a salad.
Pull it right out the heat, put the lid on it. I'll show you how to plate it later. Just get it to a simmer like that. You don't want it to reduce any more than it already is.
Oh.
Herbs bundle goes right there. So we got the beets. So I like to put the golden beets on one side. Okay. Just like that. And you'll have a little parchment that's in between.
Whoa.
And then I like to put the red beets on the other side. Those go on the side.
Look at that.
Some good beets. A little bit of knife work on this one, but it's worth it.
Whoa.
Plus, everything else is like in the oven or zapped or one shot. So, you want to try it?
Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
All right, try it out. So I have to supreme these oranges, but I believe we did this for you. But just to show you how this is done, we come around.
Yummy.
We come around the orange. See? We try to make sure you get all the pith off of there.
It's yummy.
You like that goat cheese?
Yeah, I like
Oh,
goat
you're a
cheese.
goat cheese fan, huh? All right. And then what we're gonna do
Hi, Dodo.
is we're going to cut.
I like it.
Are you looking in the camera there?
Yeah.
All right. Just gonna cut it in half, and I just leave them as coins. So throw the citrus in there all over the place. This is a grapefruit.
Apple.
It's a grapefruit.
Apple.
Sure. Apple. Grapefruit. I'm gonna do the same thing. Javi, look at this.
Pepper.
Look at the color. Look at the color of what this one is.
Color.
It's a grapefruit. So it's pink on the inside. Look how pink it is. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
How's it smell? Does it smell good?
Yeah.
Don't eat it. Don't eat it. It's bitter. The inside.
If you like it.
Yeah, you want. Does it smell good? Didn't it smell good?
Yeah.
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 Yeah. That's what he said. I'm gonna do the same thing where we've gotten all the undesirable stuff off of it. I'm just gonna cut it in half like this. This is how I make salads at home. And then I just cut it in half again. It's two pieces of citrus. That's it.
I want some.
You wanna try? Open up. All right.
It's yummy.
Isn't it good? You like the cheese, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. We got some herbs.
Herbs.
Okay, we got green onions. All right. Hold on. Okay. All right, so we got our living crust here. I just like to put it in the corner. All you gotta do is just pull that bottom off of it. Just chuck it right in the corner there. And we're just gonna put that right out on the table. Beets are already dressed and ready to go.
That is so yummy.
Oh, we forgot the goat cheese. Hey, can I have this? Here, I'll tell you what. You can have.
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Have the top part that you were looking. So what I do is I just kind of mush it up in here like this. Kind of breaks it up a little bit. And then I sprinkle it over the top. So use a spoon.
You like it.
Goat cheese is one of the best parts too, so don't forget that.
You just
Now you have the goat cheese in there.
Sour.
Delicious. This is how I plate my rice. You guys can steal my style if you'd like. Oh yeah, and it is good. Running my knife through the freshly picked parsley here. Just gonna put this together here. See it? Usually not too much goat cheese on your green onions, except your 2-year-old likes to spread it on there with a spoon. So you're just gonna run your knife through this. Be sure to keep your fingers behind the knife, not cut them off.
Hey, Dad.
Yes, sir.
You're a cool chef.
I'm a cool chef.
Yep, you're going to be a cool.
Melt my heart, son.
Yeah, you're going to be.
Take about half of this
Chef soon. You're going to
Put a
be
little
the
bit
coolest chef soon.
on our rice and on our salad.
You're going to be the coolest chef soon.
All right, I'm gonna save a little bit for our.
What?
Speaking of the chicken, we need to check on the chicken, see if it's
Yeah.
done. We're at about 15 minutes right now. Gonna let it cook. Gonna let it cook longer. Another 10, I'd say. Should be ready. All right, let's plate the broccoli. So here we go. This is apart in my tweezers, so that means it's done. Okay. And then you just pour broccoli cream right over top and middle of it. It is one of our favorites. And then we have a little bit of seasoning here. Thank you. It's called Everything Bagel. You know this seasoning? It goes on bagels. We make our own little blend. Would you like to help? Use your fingers, just like Daddy. Now do what I'm doing. Just sprinkle it. Does it need it all? No. Yeah. Put it on there. There you go. You want to put some on there too? All right, put some on there. I think 2 more and we're done. 2 more and it's done. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. We've done too much. All right, we're good. All right, 1 more. We're done. There it is. Okay. Thank you. It's avant-garde. Just see how he does that? It's all natural. It's natural ability. Oh, yeah. Done. It is delicious, and it does look delicious. One of my favorite things in the world. You could probably put a little bit of lemon on here too. Just all you gotta do. All you gotta do, take your lemon on your dirty cutting board, cut a little chunk of it off of there, just hit it right over the top. Delicious. Okay. This meal is healthy, and it's going to feel healthy when you eat it, except for the Rice Krispie treat. That's about the sugariest thing I've ever eaten in my life. But the next and last thing we're going to do is the glaze of the chicken. Daddy! Should we check our chicken again? Let's check our chicken. Let's see where it's at. Going for an internal temperature of 160 degrees. We're going to do about half the glaze on here. Use your spoon a little bit if you want to kind of mix some things around on it. You're going to let this rest for about 15 minutes at least, all right? Or I always say until it, you can't hear any sizzling at all, like none. That's usually when it's done resting. Look at that. Oh yeah. Who wants a bite of this? You want a bite? Who wants a bite? All right, you can both take a bite. Ready? You want to take a bite together?
Yeah.
All right, you get that in, you take that in. Bite.
We can go outside or something.
Watch out, coming in here with the hot dog.
When we're done with this, we can go outside and
Cut in.
shovel.
Go outside and shovel. You got it. Once we're done with this. All right, bye. It's not cooked all the way. Let's just wait. We need to go back in the oven. Dad didn't temp it. Going back in. Let's just get this. All right. So, what I like to do is I like to serve chicken in half, just because we like to get after it like little beasts. We can just take little chunks away from it. What we're gonna do, we're gonna finish it up by pouring the rest of our glaze on here. And usually you have some fresh herbs reserved for this, but my children put them everywhere. It's nice to a little fresh green onion and parsley on there as well. It's nice. And then you should have a little bit of lemon left over. Just take out some of those seeds. Lemon juice. Tell me that doesn't look fantastic. Freaking 4-pounder, baby.
You did it!
Done! Boop, bop, beep. Clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands if you're happy. Curried spatchcock chicken. Spatchcock meaning that it's splayed out and it's roasted or grilled. We also have the wonderful rice pilaf here. This is one of my favorite rice preparations that we put together. Careful. Oh, cream broccoli with the everything bagel over the top. Just wait. Just wait. Your beet salad with goat cheese and watercress, and then also your Rice Krispie treat.
Yummy!
Yeah, it comes with a bite taken out of the corner there. We'll see you next week. We're doing blackened pork chops, which are going to be fantastic. I'll get you a video, a little quick video on how to make those pizzas. It's a very fun, little easy process, and it feeds the fam. So, see you guys next time. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mom.